So in this video, I'm going to share exactly how a voice agent can call leads within seconds of them filling out the form. I'm going to show you how they qualify the lead on the call, so you don't need to have a bunch of fields. You can just have name, email, and phone number, which is going to dramatically increase your form submissions. And because the voice agent, that the lead knows it's a voice agent calling them, it calls them within seconds of them filling out the form, you're going to dramatically also increase your book calls of qualified appointments. So let me just show you. This is just a mock form here. So here we go, showtime. Let me get my phone out here. So 1001, 1002, 1003. So within like say 3 to 4 seconds, I'm getting a call. Again, I'm a lead. I saw an ad, I'm on your website, and I fill out the form. I'm interested in selling my life insurance policy to cash out or what have you. Here we go, showtime. Hello?
Hi, may I speak with Brian, please?
Yeah, speaking.
Hi, Brian, this is Victoria. I'm an AI life insurance cash out expert calling from Policy Bank. Thanks for requesting information about selling your life insurance. And by the way, this call is being recorded for quality assurance. If it's okay with you, I'm going to ask you a few questions before connecting you with the appropriate specialist. So how can I help you today?
Yeah, so I saw an ad about cashing out your life insurance, and I was just curious how this all works.
Absolutely, Brian. Happy to explain. So when you cash out your life insurance policy, you can actually sell it to a third party for a one-time cash payment. This is called a life settlement. People do this for all sorts of reasons, maybe to get relief from monthly payments, pay off medical bills or debt, or even to fund long-term care. The money you receive is yours to use however you like. Just so I know which expert to transfer you to, is your life insurance policy for more than $100,000 or less than $100,000?
It's for more than $100,000.
Great, thanks for letting me know, Brian. Do you have any other questions about our services, or would you like to go ahead and schedule a consultation with one of our specialists?
Well, maybe you can tell me, like, if I decide to go through with this, like, what are the next steps? Like, how does this all work?
Of course, Brian. Happy to walk you through it. If you decide to move forward, the next steps are pretty straightforward. First, you'll have a consultation with one of our specialists. They'll review your policy details and answer any questions you have. If your policy qualifies, we'll gather some paperwork and get a few offers from licensed buyers. You'll get to review those offers and decide if you want to accept one. If you do, the sale is finalized and you receive a lump sum payment. The whole process is designed to be simple and transparent, and you're never obligated to accept an offer if you don't want to. Does that help clear things up a bit? Would you like to schedule a consultation to see what your options might look like?
Yeah, let's schedule a consultation, please.
Let me check our availability for you. Thanks for waiting, Brian. I have a few options for you today at 3 p.m., tomorrow at 10 a.m., or Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time. Which of those works best for you?
Do you have something at noon tomorrow?
You're all set for tomorrow at noon. Booking you in now. Your consultation is confirmed for tomorrow at noon Central. You'll get a confirmation email soon. If you have any questions before then, just reply to this text. Looking forward to speaking with you. Thanks and take care.
Thank you. So you can see here there's a couple of things that I would have to change. This is just a demo. This is not the final product by any means. We have to do a lot of testing, but you can see how it qualifies a lead. It asks very relevant questions and books it right into my calendar and also into your sales team's calendar. And it's pretty instant. The cool thing about this too is that we can actually send the lead a text message while on the call to sell them before the meeting. In other words, not just that we want them to show up, but we want them to be sold to work with, Policy Bank before. So we can send them a text message that has, let's say, Google reviews or text messages, or like a video sales letter or something that they're already sold before they actually hop onto the meeting. And that way you have a much higher close rate. So not only are you going to get more form submissions, you're going to get more meetings, and you're going to have a higher close rate because of the things I just mentioned. And beautiful thing is it's all automated. So just off the top here, how this all works. The lead believes they're going to be speaking with a person, and that's why they answer the questions, because you'll notice the wording. It says, before I connect you with, so I know which person to connect you to, basically, do you mind if I ask you a few questions? That's pretty much the gist of it. And of course, you can use the forms, the fields on the form, which I mentioned to you already. Lead is qualified on the call. You can get a text message, as I mentioned. It could be male or female. We can change the voice, by the way. If you don't like the voice, we can do another voice. Leads are called within seconds. The event is created right away. The voice agent books leads, updates your CRM, by the way, all automated, and records and summarizes the call. There's actually a dashboard, which I'll show you in a second. If the lead did not book, they can follow up with them. They can call back right away. So for example, let's say that the voice agent calls the lead, but they don't pick up. the voice agent knows to call back right away. We get an increase of 70% pickup rate when we do that. And the lead does not answer the second time, the voice agent will call back the next day. All automated, all done without you getting involved. It's all through our voice agent. A lot of testing that has to happen before we go live, obviously. If they want to speak to someone, they can do a live transfer call. We can also place a voice widget, like a little piece of code on your website, on your landing page, that there's a voice widget that can actually do the exact same thing I just told you, but through a widget, which is actually really cool. So anyway, and one last thing is, this is like a sample dashboard. There's a demo, obviously, the number of minutes, the number of calls, the pickup rate, the connection rate, all that stuff. We track all of that. So I hope that helps, and look forward to speaking with you. Thanks.